What's up guys, it's me, Element Reviewer 227, back at it again with another Element unboxing. Today, we're going to be unboxing Cesium. Let's check a look. Wait. Cesium. For all your industrial monitoring and/or destructive needs. Element collection paper dish brought to you by Brian. So it appears I may have been scammed. No, I'm still going to review this element. I said I was going to review Cesium, and today I'm going to review Cesium. Cesium is represented on the periodic table with a symbol CS. It has an atomic number of 55, meaning it has also 55 protons, and 55 electrons if the isotope in question is stable. It has an atomic mass of 132 and 90,545,196 millionths. This means it has 78 neutrons. It is also the only element in the known universe to have the exact electron configuration of 1s22, s22, p63, s23, p64, s23, d104, p65, s24, d105, p66, s1. It also has one valence electron. Cesium is also a metal. This means it is shiny, malleable, good at conducting, solid at room temperature, hard, and has a high melting and boiling point. Cesium was discovered by German chemists Robert Wilhelm Bunsen and Gustav Robert Kirchhoff in 1860. They discovered it through spectrogram analysis of Durkheim mineral water. Cesium does have modern applications. For example, it is used in radiology. It is used as a drilling fluid to help drill boreholes into the earth. And Cesium-133 is used in atomic clocks for very reliable and accurate time measurement. So overall, I'd give Cesium a solid 7 out of 10. It's pretty super duper cool. Thanks for watching. You know, I'm actually kind of glad I didn't get an actual Cesium, now that I think of it, because, Cesium's, really reactive with the air, when it reacts with the air, it kind of catches, fire. Yeah, kind of like that, and, if you pour water on it, when it comes in contact with water, it explodes, kind of like this.